Imagine floating through space, drifting closer and closer to one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, a black hole. Now, here's the question. What would actually happen if you fell in? Would you be crushed instantly? Would you vanish? Or is the truth even stranger? Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They're extreme warps in space and time itself. And falling into one is like taking the most terrifying roller coaster ride imaginable. Only this time, physics itself is the track. In this video, we're going to walk step by step through exactly what you'd experience as you approached, crossed the point of no return, and finally disappeared into the abyss. And trust me, the ending might surprise you. Let's start with the approach. Imagine you're in a spaceship heading toward a black hole. From a distance, it doesn't actually look like much. Just a black circle where no light escapes. But surrounding it is the accretion disk, a glowing whirlpool of gas, dust, and sometimes even stars being shredded apart by gravity. Even before you get close, you feel the incredible pull. Your instruments would go wild. The closer you drift, the stronger gravity becomes, far beyond anything we experience on Earth. But something even stranger begins to happen. Time slows down. From the perspective of people watching you from far away, your movements get slower and slower. To them, it would look like you're stuck in slow motion, frozen just outside the edge. But to you, inside your ship, everything still feels normal. For now. This time dilation is one of the first mind-bending effects of Einstein's theory of relativity in action. Eventually, you reach the most important boundary in the universe, the event horizon. Think of it as the ultimate point of no return. Once you cross it, nothing, not even light, can escape. From the outside world's perspective, you never actually cross. You just fade, slowly redder and dimmer, until you vanish. But from your perspective, you cross the line without even noticing. No alarms, no sudden barrier, just silence. But the moment you pass by the event horizon, physics as we know it starts to break down. There's no way back. Your destiny is sealed. And now the real nightmare begins. Here's where things get gruesome. Black holes don't just pull, they stretch. If you fell feet first, the gravity pulling on your legs would be dramatically stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. The difference would literally tear you apart. Scientists call this process spaghettification, because your body, even your atoms, would stretch out into long, thin strands like spaghetti. At this point, you are no longer a person. You are matter being rearranged by the most powerful force in existence. But strangely, you wouldn't actually feel this in the way you might expect. Remember, inside the event horizon, nothing behaves normally. You might not even realize it's happening before you're gone. Now here's where the story gets truly strange. What actually happens inside a black hole is still one of the biggest mysteries in science. Some physicists believe everything collapses into a single point of infinite density called the singularity. At that point, the known laws of physics simply stop working. Others suggest you might pass into a wormhole, a shortcut to another part of the universe. There are even theories that falling into a black hole could spit you out into an entirely new universe. The truth? We don't know. And here's the catch. We never will, because no information can escape to tell the story. But one thing is certain. From the outside, you're already gone. And from your perspective, your journey ends at the singularity, no matter how strange the path there may be. So, what's the payoff to this terrifying journey? If you fell into a black hole, your story wouldn't end with you simply vanishing. In a way, you'd become part of the universe's most mysterious object forever. Your matter, your very atoms, would be absorbed into the black hole, adding to its mass, making it just a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier. Your fall would help shape the fate of the stars, galaxies, and the cosmos itself. Falling into a black hole isn't just a death sentence, it's a transformation. A one-way trip into the unknown when your final act is to merge with the most powerful mystery in existence. And maybe, just maybe, somewhere beyond the horizon, a new universe is waiting. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, black holes aren't just cosmic monsters. They're reminders of how little we truly know and how much more there is to discover. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.